Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable or disable the lock screen tone in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to setting in your Oppo A5s mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, okay, go to sounds and vibration, okay, click this. Okay guys, here in sounds and vibration, okay, scroll down and find this system feedback. And okay guys, here in system feedback, you can see the lock screen tone. The lock screen tone of my Oppo A5s is disabled. Okay guys, to enable this, you all have to do is click the switch button. And now the lock screen tone is enable, and to disable again, you'll have to do is click again the lock screen tone button. And okay guys, that's it. And if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.